Quick reading for April the 25th to the 26th. Cancer, your cards are the Devil card, the Death card, and the Judgment. Maraming nagawang kabulastugan dito si person. Probably nagpakita din ito ng narcissistic behavior, nagpakita ito ng talagang pilit niya, no, na kailangan maging submissive ka sa kanya. Or there may be things that this person showed na hindi mo hinagap, na kaya niyang gawin, magsinungaling, place you in a third party situation. With the Death card kasi, pwedeng sabihin natin na nag-manifest lang ito because of the tukso. I feel like meron ditong merong influence dito, no? Kung bakit ito nangyari. Pero ganun pa man, sabi dito ni person with the Judgment, sandali, I need to make things right. I need to iron things out. I need to parang deal with my actions and also make amends, no, para kay person, para ayusin ang relasyon namin. Parang sabi niya, hindi ko bibitawan, kailangan kong mamili. So this is your quick reading for April the 25th to the 26th, Cancer.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.